It's windy.
It's windy.
I have extra protection armor on. I have leather armor.
No, wool.
Yeah, I have leather armor.
Say wool.
I have wool armor.
What? Acorns. We found some acorns. We're going to the moon. Moon ride, moon ride. We're going to the moon. Moon ride, moon ride. Hey, I'm waiting for you.
No hats.
Gnome hats? Let me see. Ooh, it's a gnome helmet.
Acorn inside of there.
Gnome helmet.
There's an acorn inside.
Baby acorn. Come on, let's ride. There's a car behind you. Ooh, I like to run them over. Pop. Come on, I see some green ones over there.
Look at one.
Look. Man. We're going to the moon. Come on. Moon ride. Moon ride. Me too. Yep. Yep. Are you gonna make one with me? We're gonna make the Kirby video. Ours will be the best too. Ours will be better than anyone else's. That's gonna be your last one?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Are we using the dirt bikes? Beep. 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 Ooh, it's nice. What are you laughing about? Hey, go faster, you're gonna fall. Silly. Come on, funny boy. Funny boy. Are you gonna freeze out here if you don't keep biking? You're gonna turn into an ice Clarence. Yep.
6 bananas, 7 bananas, 8 bananas, 10 bananas, 9 bananas,
Hey, I got a box of apples. I got a box of apples.
5 bananas, 4 bananas, 3 bananas, 2 bananas, 1 banana, 0 bananas. Why is it so hard?
I don't know. Usually you're always ahead of me. Now it's easy, it's all downhill. Hey, Rabbit. Keep going.
Guys,
What are you saying, guys?
I'm running out of gas.
You're running out of gas? Come on. Who's gonna get to the truck first? Who's gonna get to the truck first? One lap is good enough.
Wait,
What?
emergency gas.
Ooh, it's cold. Push it up there. Use your muscles.
Tires are flat.
I don't think your tires are flat yet. Let me check. Let me check. Maybe they are. I just doubt it, but it could be. I don't feel that hard. You're right. I think we do need to add air to your tires. Biking on no air.